Good evening, everyone. This is Mr. Wilson. Welcome to my Algebra 2 and Trigonometry course for 2022 to 2023. I'm looking forward to having a wonderful experience with all of you. The purpose of this video is for me to just kind of introduce you to just some parts on this Canvas course and like the home page, as well as some how to navigate through some of the tabs that you'll see once you log on to the course. Okay, so what we're looking at here, this is what I call my home page for Algebra 2. Lovely design right here. And if you look to the right, there are some to do items. Okay. Now, you want to check this side frequently because this tells you just some of the things that you'll need to complete from week to week. Okay. Now, as you can see, it looks like there's some assignments here that we need to complete. But I promise you, all of these right here should be a review for all of you from solving equations, things of that nature, things that you did in Algebra 1. Okay. So I want to get us all back in a groove of working on equation work because eventually we're going to take it up a notch and be on the Algebra 2 level. Okay. Now, if we scroll down a little bit in the middle of the page, you can see this is the link for my syllabus. You can also find this same link over here. So these are pretty much the same. And the syllabus is basically going to tell you something about the course. It's going to tell you just some concepts and some topics to expect as far as the engagement part of this course and things that you basically things that you're going to learn throughout the course and my expectations as far as completion of work and doing it with fidelity. Here is going to be a tab for the modules, and I also have that over here. Now, the modules are basically how I've organized our assignments for the entire year. You can go to that tab, and we're going to take a look at that a little bit closely in a minute. You can look at that tab, and that's basically what I would use throughout the year to just kind of help myself if I'm a student follow along the course and make sure that I'm completing everything that is due for that week. Okay. And again, we're going to take a look at that as well as the grades. I'm also going to show you that in a moment. But I do want to take a look at these resources now. It's not many, but if you look here, this is a button that I created, and basically, what this is a digital copy of the textbook, just in case you're unable to obtain a textbook at the beginning of the course, and you want to order one, and things just don't come in. Well, I don't want you to be without a textbook ever. Okay, I'm your teacher, and it's my job to provide you with everything that you need. Okay, so I want to make sure that everybody has that. So you can click on that and do a digital download of the book, if you will. Now, here is the important calendar dates for the 2022-2023 school year. So you can click on that, and it should show you days like holidays, days that we're not having live classes, etc. Here is a link to the Desmos calculator, one of my favorites. Okay. And a lot of you have used the Desmos calculator, and we're going to use this quite a bit to help us see the calculations that I'm doing, that you're doing while on screen and while we're in our live classes. So let's go to the modules link here. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. So as I said, this is going to show you the modules that have been assigned and the modules that are open for you to view. Okay. I'm pretty much going to open these up week by week. Okay. So these will be all ready to go come this upcoming Monday. So don't worry, they should be all good to go. If you do have problems with the modules, please shoot me an email and I will work on those from my end to make sure that you are able to view them and get the assignments done in a timely fashion. Okay. But again, this is how I've organized your assignments, your curriculum. So you can see, okay, well, this is what I need to do from week to week. Okay. Nice little feature for Canvas. Now, if you want to check out the grades that you're getting from me, you can always click on this link right here, or you can go back to the homepage and click on the same grade link. Okay. And this is going to give you a summary of everything that is has been assigned and everything that has been scored. Okay. And you can go just scroll all the way down to the very bottom. Okay. And these are going to be all the assignments that you are going to be responsible for pretty much for the entire school year. Okay. And as you can see, these are going to be the weights that you will have: collaboration and engagement. There are going to be assignments under that category: 15%, quizzes 20%, homework 35%, exams are going to be worth 30%. And important assignments, those are not going to count towards anything, towards your final grade. So you don't have to worry about those. Now, I also want to take a look at the Zoom link. Okay. Now, the Zoom link is where you're going to go to join my live class. Okay. So you click on that. I'm going to see you from my end saying that you want to join. I'll let you in, and then you should be good to go. Okay. If you ever have an issue with the Zoom link, please let me know. And I should be able to help you from my end to get you into class. Okay. Last but not least is this Digi exam. Now, the Digi exam is something that you really don't need to concern yourself with right now. But what it is it is a software that we can use, or that I could use as your instructor to pretty much give your exams. Okay. And so it's really no different than taking an exam on Canvas that you'll find in the module, but there may be a case where I give an exam on Digi Exam, give you a code, you take the exam, and then I grade it, give you the feedback, just like an ordinary exam. So it's just an additional software that we teachers can use to give exams. Okay. So hopefully that answered some questions on our navigation. So I'm going to go back to the home page. All right. Now I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom, and there's my welcome uh, letter right here. Again, this is the syllabus page right here. So you should have that. Now, there are some there is some information on when we're going to be meeting: Monday, Wednesdays, certain courses 11:30 to 12:15, and on Tuesdays and Thursdays 4 to 4:45 p.m. Okay. And so, but now this may be subject to change. Okay, because again, we have students that are always enrolling. So you may see a change on that, but it shouldn't affect anybody that's already enrolled. Okay. And hopefully it doesn't change, but again, it could. Okay. Now, this is my intro video, so please watch that. I took a little bit of time to create that for you. Hopefully, it's good. And then, last but not least, here's my contact information for to reach me by email. Again, if you have any questions about an assignment or a module, or something that comes up, please email me as soon as possible. Communication is key when it comes to being successful in this course. And I want everybody to practice good communication. So please email me that at this email address. And if you need to set up an appointment to meet on Zoom for tutoring, okay, please use this link, and you can pick a time that's best for you that fits within my availability. Okay. And I should be able to get on Zoom and help you out with any assignment. So hopefully this intro video helps answer some questions, some intro questions, and hopefully uh, it hopefully it makes it easier for you to understand how to navigate through the course on Canvas. So that's all I have for right now. And I can't wait to see all of you this upcoming week. And we'll have like I said, we're going to have a great school year. So I'll see and talk with all of you on Zoom later. Have a good one. Bye bye.